No Gandalf on my shoulder as usual. Alright, so repairing a poorly routed piece of MDF slot. So I thought I'd bring you along and see if you're interested in whether it worked or not, because I'm a bit curious myself. This is a new technique that I've never used before in the end. Ideally the 3mm piece of MDF that I'm using in the slot would be made from plastic, so that there's absolutely no chance in the world that the putty would stick to it. I'm just looking for something I can use to break away this part. Just give it a little bit of a scrape where it meets the track meets the MDF's insert, just in case, which it probably has. And hopefully, there we go. Not perfect, pretty bloody close, but yep, I have a slot anyway. You can see that what's going on there. Yeah, there's a slot there that I can now work with. I'll let that set a bit longer. There's a little bit of damage just there. That piece came out just there, but I can redo that. So now I need to do that bit. It actually looks like it needs to be straightened out quite a bit. And maybe that bit. That bit there's next. So let's put you back over here. Yeah. Yep. I can go back in there. It's not what I need right now. Just tighten that up a bit. So I run it down the inside because that's where the slot needs to be. We probably need to get rid of this outside piece. So you can say I'm gently carving it. Yeah, to test it out, it's simple. I'll just use the back side of this. Slide it into the slot to the point where it's good. Push it down, and it goes into a point down there where it's good. So you can give that a bit of a tap. Yeah. I've got my glasses here. Yeah. As you can see there now, I've carved it up here to give that a bit of a much more of a smoother arc, and then I'll fill it the back here where I had to carve it out. You can maybe see. In there's a hole there now that needs to be carved out. That'll be the back side of the corner. So car coming this way, car's coming this way, I'll be leaning on it. Car's going this way, I'll be leaning on it. So we'll see. I'm tempted to just putty it the way it is. Rather than trying to do anything else, I think I might. I got this bit of putty here, and off a fingerful. Bit more. More than you need. Squeeze it down into it. Oh, there we go. Popped it. That's dumb. What we can do, there is another way. Come on then. Clean that crap off my finger. Yeah, I'll see if this one works. That's probably good enough. So rather than shove it down into the hole, so I just used it and dragged it through like the end of a ruler. You know, the pointy bit on the end of a ruler where you drag it along a slot to clean it out. Well, that's what I did. It's close enough. I can actually just gently sand that back a bit more and I'll have a pretty well repaired hole, slot. Eh? What do you reckon, Gandalf? Yeah. That bit there will need to be sanded off. That's alright. I have a slot there and I have a slot there that'll work for me. Interesting. Well, this isn't V for victory, it's don't fuck off.